video today because you were looking for a simple, natural, glowing skin makeup tutorial that you can do in right around 10 minutes or so. If so, awesome. That is exactly what I'm gonna be showing you today. If you wanna see how to get your skin to glow in a very short amount of time with a little bit of makeup, then go ahead and keep watching and I will show you exactly how to do it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you have been here for a bit, if you are new, I am so excited that you are here today. My name is Caron, and my channel is dedicated to those who felt just a little bit lost in beauty at one time or another. I once was there too, and through the magic of YouTube, I learned how to do my makeup, do hair, and even find skincare products that actually work for my skin. What I would love is that you would consider subscribing today and even hitting that notification bell so that you can get alerts every single time I upload new stuff, which is actually every single Friday. I also have an email blast that goes out to my subscribers, whom I've affectionately named the Reformed Tomboy Family, and they get exclusive content just from me. I've got that link right below in the description box, along with any products that I use today in the tutorial coming your way. And of course, if you're liking the content that you see from me, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It seriously helps me out so much. Let's go ahead and jump into today's content, which is actually a simple, natural, glowing skin makeup tutorial that I actually had a little video I posted on Instagram and Facebook a couple of days ago. It was, I was actually on my way to go get my third microneedling treatment, but you guys know I have to go to the gym. I work out 6 days a week. And so I went in to lift and I wanted to make sure that I had a little bit of makeup on my face. So I put on a little bit of a skin tint and then I just did like some pretty little highlighting, a little bit of blush, and some mascara. And I actually asked you guys if you wanted to see that look created, as well as the eyebrows that I have been stenciling in now that I love, which I did a tutorial on as well, and I'll link in the video too. So in saying that, that's what this video is about. So we are going to jump right in to me naked faced so that we can actually get a little bit of makeup on but still have a naked skin look. Let's go ahead and jump into today's content. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited to do this tutorial for you guys. I've been doing a little fun makeup look, I guess, if you will, that is basically a natural, super duper natural look. I got this little pretty product here, this makeup skin tint from Makeup Forever. And I got this in my Sephora Playbacks this month, and oh my God, the color is way too dark for me, but I really love the actual product itself. So it's a blurring skin tint, and it has a sunscreen in it, and it's got 25 for your protection, which is awesome. So I, of course, used a foundation lightener, and I was like, we're gonna try this, and I did, you guys. I love this. It looks like skin. So I'm gonna finish using this, and then I'm gonna go get me a big one that actually matches my skin. So what I did is I decided to take this little inspiration here that looks like skin, and I thought, how else can I put a few other products on my face that literally could take me 10 minutes or less and still have a very glowy look that's natural, that's simple, that could pretty much be everyday wear for me, especially on the days that I really don't feel like doing, 20 minutes of eye makeup. So that is what this look is today, and so I want to get started with you guys. I'm going to set a timer. I've got my laptop up over here, and Google has a fancy little, well, it ain't fancy, but it's a timer on Google, and I'm gonna actually time this to see how long it takes to do this look from start to finish. I do have my brows on, and if you want to see how I did these, then I will link that video above because that was also part of the video that was on Instagram and Facebook. I really was actually asking more about the brows because I bought some brow stencils. You guys said yes, you wanted to see that. So I'm actually in filming mode today. I literally just filmed this. And then now I'm going to actually film this very natural makeup look for you now. So it is like film mode today. I have another video I'm getting ready to do after this. So anyway, yes, film, that is the goal of today. But in saying that, if you want to see these eyebrows, then you're going to need to click that eye and you can actually see how these stencils will freaking change your life. And now I'm going to show you a makeup look that will change your life, that will take you 10 minutes besides the brows. So let me quit rambling because you've already seen an intro. Let me just actually get started in this. Hold for a second. I've got to hit my timer. Let's do this. Okay, it is going. Oh my gosh, pressure is on. Okay, so as I mentioned, and I'm gonna talk and do this at the same time. Oh my gosh, I feel so much pressure right now. This product is actually way too dark for my skin, so I'm going to put some on my little candle top, and then I'm going to put the foundation lightener by LA Girl, which I love, on top of this. As usual, all the products will be linked below in the description box if you want to give it a look-see. That might be too much. I might have a very, very light face now, and that is okay. We will deal with it. I should have laid out my brushes. Oh my gosh, my heart is beating so fast, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna chill. I'm a chill. Okay, my face is prepped too. I did go ahead and prime. I primed my eyes, even though we're not doing any eye makeup. I did prime everything, so we are good to go to put foundation on. So what I'm doing is taking a brush. I have not tried this combo with a sponge yet. I really like a brush, so that's kind of what we're gonna do it with, and I'm just going to buff this in my skin. And by the way, this looks really light now. Holy crap, I'm gonna look ghostly. It'll be fine. Okay, so buffing, this is buffing. If you guys don't know, I mean, I see makeup artists talk about this kind of stuff all the time, and I think sometimes the terms are confusing for those of us that, you know, don't really know what all of that means. So you've got your buffing motion, which is just like pushing that product down and around and in your skin in circular motions, and then you have a stippling motion, which is this motion here. You guys have seen me do that a lot. I use a little bit of both depending on my feelings about the foundation. So we'll just say that. So we're just going to buff it in the skin. Gosh, this is so light. Well, maybe it's not that light, you guys. Ooh, I don't know. Okay, we might have to get real bronzy. One day I wore this and I was like, oh, I didn't put enough and it's too orange. And then the other day I got it like perfect, and yeah, so. Okay, and because I have the brows on, this is how you do it. Check this out. This is what I love about that brow. What? Little mama just got her foundation on over her brows, didn't even mess it up. They still look amazing. Screw that 20-minute brow time, y'all. I'm over that crap. My skin is still getting a little bit of dry patches from the microneedling, so I have, if my forehead in the center looks oily, it's because I put an oil on today just to try and kill some of that dry skin look that I got going on. You guys know how it goes when you're getting stuff done to your face. There is a little bit of a healing process, but dry skin ain't no big thing. Okay, we're gonna call that good, because that took 4 minutes and it shouldn't have. Okay, the rest of it goes really quick. Oh my God, I gotta hurry. Okay, so I'm just going to take my contour brush and a little bit of bronzer, and then contour just a little bit, because again, the whole idea here is to make this look super skin-like. I love about this tinted moisturizer, and I gotta say, you guys, another reason why I am like loving that I'm doing this microneedling journey is because if you would have talked to me 3 months ago, even 4 months ago, 5 months ago, y'all would not have caught me in a skin tint. It's just not gonna happen, because everything I wear is all full coverage, because I wanted to cover up just, you know, the scars, you know, try to conceal some of the bigger pores and all of that stuff. And I honestly, I love seeing my skin. That is like a really cool place for me to be, because I've never felt that way. And people are coming up to me at the gym and asking me like, what is going on with your face? Your skin looks so good. Like, that's really happening to me, and that has never happened in my life. So I just want to tell you guys, check out my microneedling videos if you haven't. And like I've said 100 times already, I think, in my last few videos, is that the third one will be out ASAP. Probably after this one goes out, that one will release. So that is good for y'all to know. Okay, so we are 5 minutes and 45 seconds in. Okay, so we are going to do a little bit of concealer, not much. Whoa. That is a lot. We're not going to use that much. So I'll just dot, dot. So the new technique I'm using now, which really isn't new, is using my ring finger ever so softly underneath my eyes, you guys. This is huge. Recently I've just found that I really like the way it looks. I think that when I'm putting on concealer, my skin and my finger touching the concealer warms it up, and it just makes it look so flawless underneath my eyes versus using a sponge or a brush. So this is what I've been doing lately. So I hope you try this. And if you want some more information on your under eyes and the care, then go ahead and check the link above you in the eye for my skincare video as well, because I have so many good tips for you guys in that if you're over 25, especially over 30, but if you are over 25, these are things you need to start doing now. So, okay, there's that. So that's on. Now we're going to do blush, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. I had to put alcohol in this morning because yesterday I was getting ready for church and I busted it on accident. So here we are. It looked awful up there till it dries. My goodness. Okay, so I'll use this end that isn't ruined. Tap off the excess. Hey, don't. Oh my God, he's gonna walk on the keyboard. Do not lay on that. You will ruin my video. Life with cats, y'all. Life with cats. Of course, it's the big, fat, black and white one, my tuxedo cat. Okay, so we're gonna put on some highlighter because this is like the key to this. So we'll go right here. And I mean that highlighter will bounce off your cheeks. My Milani highlighter. Did I even tell you guys what this is? No! He totally just sat on the keyboard. Sorry. We're okay though. He didn't stop my timer. Okay, nose. Mouth. Okay, and then this is my favorite part. Yes, your eyelids. Highlight your eyelids. I have nothing else on but primer on my eyes, and then that. Okay, and so the last thing is going to be curling your eyelashes. So I only put mascara on my top lashes for this, by the way. It just looks better, it looks more natural. That's at least my preference anyway. 9:57, no! We're gonna be so close. Okay, you guys have to cut me a few seconds because of the cat, right? And maybe just a few more seconds because you guys know this is nerve-wracking trying to do something in 10 minutes. But really, I have gotten into 10 minutes at least 1 or 2 times. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use this lip injection by Too Faced. It's literally just a clear gloss, and it kind of like plumps up your lips, and I love it. So I use that. Hold on, I see one thing. There we go. And then last but not least, setting spray. Let it dry. Pull the hair out from all the places I had to hide it. Okay. My clock says 11, we'll call it 11:10 if I reach over there and turn it off. I want you guys to see that it did take me a little over 10 minutes, but you can get really fast at it if you lock your kids out of your bathroom and your cats and your dogs, like you don't have any interruptions. So we'll call it, can you guys? Okay, 11:26 was the actual time on that. So in saying that, it doesn't really take that long. It is such a quick and easy look, you guys. It's very natural. I love it. And yeah, you can make your makeup look like skin if you want to. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I will actually jump back to myself. Well, that was super fun to try and create this look for you guys in under 10 minutes. And even though I failed, I feel like I did a pretty good job of trying to stay close to the time. Thank you guys for your grace because my cat literally did sit on the laptop. So that is pretty usual around here. When Lance and I are working, we have cats everywhere that are constantly jumping into and out of our workspace. So thank you guys for giving me a little grace. So I would really just like to call it 11 minutes if we can. And then of course, I just want to tell you guys that I would love to know from y'all in the comments below. My question question for you this week is there makeup looks that you guys want to see that I'm not doing for you guys? I know a lot of my channel has a lot of other content on it. Obviously, it's all related to beauty and kind of like aging with grace and just teaching y'all things that you may not know, especially if you're new or you are like a reformed tomboy just like me and are learning here on my channel. But if there are makeup looks that you guys are wanting to see, I really need to know what they are. So if y'all can let me know in the comments below, then I can actually create that content for you guys and get that out so that we can do some more makeup looks together. So of course, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to hang out with me today. I really appreciate it. If we haven't connected on social media, let's do that here. I'll give you guys my links right now. And then of course, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that and hit that notification bell. And then I will see all of y'all right here next week, same time, for another fun makeup look tutorial. Maybe it's hair, I don't know, maybe it's skincare. Y'all let me know in the comments and we'll go from there. I'll see everybody next week. #ReformedTomboyFamily. Bye.